Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Celia from SKYMARD. Today, I want to introduce China's famous construction machinery leading enterprise, SUNWARD. Now, the company is one of the top 50 intelligent manufacturing companies in China. Today, I want to introduce the big machine behind me to you, Rotary Drilling Rig, the SWDM200H. Okay, now look at the details. The total weight of the machine is about 65 tons. The length is 80 meters. The width is 3 meters, and height can reach 21 meters. It's relatively medium, flexible, and it can be used for efficient construction in a feasible environment. SWDM200H, its max drilling diameter is 1,800 millimeters, and the max drilling depth reached 64 meters. Look at the chassis. The chassis is unique to SUNWARD, weakened and thickened. It's equipped with Cummins engine. Its power is 194 kilowatt.
SWDM200H uses a high-power engine and high-torque cylinder for excellent drilling capability and construction efficiency. Advanced hydraulic system and electrical control with stable performance and reliable working effect. It has the advantages of strong construction ability, wide application range, stable performance, simple operation, high efficiency, and comfortable working environment.
This is the machine of SUNWARD that I shared with you today. Thank you.